Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a radar chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a radar chart on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show. So first of all, click on the insert option here, and you can't find the radar chart here in the chart option because it's on the other chart option. So you can find the data chart here. There is three different data charts here. So first of all, I'm just going to select the problems about the software management and click on the chart option and just choose the chart here. You can see that it's created actually. So you can just change the data chart style by clicking it again. So you just need it, you can just change it like this. And also if you just need to customize, just want to resize it, you can just resize it, so it will automatically change. And also you can just resize, you can just change the position here. You just double tapping here, you can just change the spelling, or you can just change the name here. And also you can just enable the fill color can be changed here, like a black color you wish. And also you can just enable the label data, so it will have a more precise data on the chart, so you can just explain it easily. And you can just customize the data by the source and setup, and also the format option on the side, which have fully customized data options to enable the series name and category name like that. So you can just see how it's look like, and if you just need it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.